Hello everyone, today we'll do this split and how to do it. Stay with me because I will show you some exercise which help you to stretch the split. Okay, first what you have to do, we take the legs together and start with slowly take our feet more for ourselves and slowly open it, close and stretch. So let's start to do together. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. From this position, take our hands and take working with our knees. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So after that, we will try to take up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So after that, we will try to take our leg and slowly working in another side. Come back and open. 2, open, 3, open. Okay, let's work with another leg. So I will take it and open our hips. So 2, 3, and let's try to with 2 legs. So slowly take it and open it. Okay, take the legs together. Slowly take breathe out and slide down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So guys, if you like this video, I hope that you follow me, take me likes, and write me in the comment which elements you want to see in the future. So bye bye.
Лучше этой стороны поворачиваться ко мне.
Какой?
Вот ты.
Да?
Да. Ну, когда ты говоришь, ты немножко.
Ну да. Я обсыпала.
Ну,
Вот так все болит.
после второго, со второго раза?
Нет, я еще в субботу на пион ходила.
О, боже. А
Угу.
кому ты ходишь ходить?
Никому, просто на туалет более решил меня позагибать.
Что ты сказала?
Позагибать.
Позагибать? Ужас. Я послышала с тобой.
Ты не представляешь, что я тут послышалась. Ой, лопатку схватила сейчас. Еще в качалку хожу. И туда, и сюда, и это.
Ты там с персональным тренером?
Нет, сама.
А там?
Hello everyone, today we will do this split and how to do that position. I will show you now some exercise which help you to do that. So stay with me if you want good splits. So first what you're starting to do is warm up our leg. So I will slowly take my knees for my body and stretch down. So 2, 3, 4 and 5. After that we will open our hip and close. 2, close, 3, close, 4 and 5. After that we will work with our leg. Take push our knees and push strong leg. So 2 and strong leg, 3 and strong leg, 4 and strong leg. Let's try take our leg and slowly push it more from ourselves that we have slowly stretched and feel our leg is good. So after that we'll try take our left hand, our leg and slowly going behind like that. After that we'll try take stretch our knees and slowly go in this position. So amazing work. We slowly take 2 knees together. Take our leg more under ourselves. Take breathe. Slowly breathe out and slide down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So guys, I hope that you like it. Subscribe, and take me likes, and bye bye. Hello everyone, today we'll do this split, and how to do it. I will show you some elements which you can do and stretch for the both our legs. So first what we're starting to do, we will get seat, we'll open our shoulders and take our hands on the back. Not like that, like this. After that, we slowly take our knees, open our hip, close hands back. 2, back, 3, and we'll get stay and try taking our hands, our legs, and do slowly pushing to different sides. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Amazing work. After that, slowly stretch our legs, take our feet and stretch our legs. So 2, 3, 4, and 5. After that, take our leg more for ourselves and stretching. We'll not do like that, okay? We'll take our shoulders down. So 2, 3, 4, and 5. We will try take our leg and working in the side. So we will try take another and working in the side. So good work. Take the legs together. Take our breath, and now slowly breathe out, relax, and slide down for our legs. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you like it, subscribe me, and write me good comments. So bye bye. So bye bye guys. I'm very happy that you like my stream. Write me good comments, write me questions, and good watching on my YouTube channel, watching my new videos. So bye bye. And slowly working in another side. Come back and open. 2, open, 3, open. Okay, let's work with another leg. So I will take it and open our hips. So 2, 3. Well, let's try to do with 2 legs. So slowly take it and open it. Okay, take the legs together. Slowly take breathe out and slide down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So guys, if you like this video, I hope that you follow me, text me likes, and write me in the comments which elements you want to see in the future. So bye bye.